Hey, have you ever felt like the world around you is moving way too fast, and all you want is a moment to breathe? Relax. Take a deep breath with me for a second. Pause for a deep breath. Feels better, right? In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple steps to help you become a calmer person. There's no magic here, but I guarantee these steps can make a big difference in your daily life. First, let me tell you something. Being calmer isn't about eliminating stress from your life. That would be impossible. It's about changing how you respond to stress. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Conscious breathing. This is basic, but also the most powerful: breathing. When stress hits, we tend to take shallow breaths. A great technique is diaphragmatic breathing. Let's try it. Inhale deeply through your nose, feel the air fill your abdomen, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Do this 3 times whenever you feel pressure building up. This technique will bring you back to the present moment. 2. Limit your information consumption. Nowadays, we're overloaded with news, social media, and things that often only make us more anxious. Choose specific times of the day to catch up on information, but don't stay glued to your phone 24/7. Learning to disconnect is essential for staying calm. After all, your brain needs a break too, right? 3. Organize your environment. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. You know that pile of clothes on your chair or the messy desk covered in papers? It may seem trivial, but organizing these spaces makes a huge difference in how calm you feel. The tip here is, start small, tidy up one thing at a time, and notice the shift. 4th, practice acceptance. There are things we just can't control. One of the biggest sources of anxiety is trying to control what's out of our reach. The key is to accept that some things are the way they are. This doesn't mean being passive, but rather being wise and focusing on what you can change and letting go of what isn't in your hands. 5. Cultivate self-care habits. Be honest. When was the last time you did something for yourself? It could be a walk, listening to your favorite music, or even enjoying a quiet cup of tea. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Taking time for yourself will help you handle challenges with much more ease. Those are the 5 steps. Sounds simple, right? But I promise, starting with these will bring more calm into your everyday life. Life is full of challenges, but with the right tools, you can face it all more peacefully. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Let's go on this journey of peace and balance together. See you in the next video, and remember, breathe and relax.